Hello and welcome to a new recipe of cooking in English from Bloglish. Today I'm going to explain to you how to prepare Baba Ganoush. You're probably familiar with hummus. It's a similar recipe but with aubergine. Okay, so the ingredients are as follows. This is a Mediterranean dish originally from Israel. So we're gonna use 3 small medium size eggplants, a couple of cloves of garlic, some sesame oil, a bit of cumin, a pinch of salt, some lemon juice and tahini. You can find all this in a normal supermarket. Okay, so I sliced the cloves of garlic and now I'm gonna make some cuts in the aubergine and put the slices inside, okay? So I just cut it, and with the help of the knife I just open a little bit the skin and just put the garlic inside, okay? So I'm gonna do that with the 3. Just turn it around and put it at different sides. Okay, now we have the 3 eggplants with the garlic inside. We're gonna preheat the oven at 200 degrees and we're gonna keep them there for about an hour 15 minutes. Every 15-20 minutes, with the help of tongs, I will kind of turn it around 45 degrees so they cook evenly all around. Okay, so the aubergines have been in the oven for 15 minutes. So as we say, we just turn it around. So they cook evenly. So every 15 minutes, I just turn this around. Okay, that's it. Okay, the Baba Ganoush is the perfect dipping dish. So for dipping, we're gonna use celery, we're gonna use some sticks of carrots and pita bread, or in our world, we can use thins, no? New type of bread now that they sell in every supermarket. So the idea is just to cut the celery and the carrots in thin sticks, for example, like this. And this we can do while the eggplants are in the oven. Okay, so we have an hour to do this, so maybe in the last 15 minutes, half an hour, we can prepare this the dipping kind of sticks, no? Okay, so the aubergines have been in the oven for about an hour, so they are ready. I'm gonna cut them a little bit so they cool down a bit faster. And when they are cool, I will peel them and put all the ingredients in a mixing cup. Okay, so we have the 3 eggplants, aubergines already peeled, and we're gonna use the juice of 1 lemon here, a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt there. We're gonna use some comino molido, well, as you like. Well, I normally do like 3 goes. 1 full tablespoon of sesame oil. Whoop. And finally, we're gonna put another full spoon of tahini, something like that. And goes in like that. And then we're gonna use the famous mixer to make it in a puree. Okay, so this is all mixed, very well mixed. This is how it looks like. Okay, and now I'm gonna pour it on a serving dish. Okay, just the final touch before you eat it, just a little bit of olive oil. And then we have a little bit of paprika, pimentón. We like smoked paprika, if you can find it, it's really yummy. And then some sesame seeds, okay? I don't use the olive oil anymore, but then while I'm eating, I recharge, let's say, with the paprika and the sesame seeds. And this is ready. You can use carrot sticks, the celery, or the pita bread. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for listening and watching, and subscribe to our Bloglish, please. Thanks.